In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the screen time feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone and delete any existing data. So to do this, first open the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Now here you will need to tap this three dot icon at the top and then select settings. Now here you will see this usage data access option, simply tap on it. Now this is important. So here as you can see it says that you can disable this feature from here, however it will take up to 24 hours for the data to be deleted. Now here tap on the settings option and then turn off this toggle. Now go back to the digital well-being menu and as you can see all the data is now disappeared. Again you will need to wait 24 hours for your old data to be deleted. If you re-enable the feature within 24 hours all your data will come back. So make sure to keep that in mind. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.